Alright. Not 100 times better, but I'm getting there. Getting over this sickness I've been lucky to receive. Yeah, out here for a fish today. I'm gonna get some carp lines in. I'm gonna try and hand line carp while I fish top water. Let's see if I can get me a couple of these carp for my garden. Just get it. Might end up having to chase my burley a little bit today. It's floating the opposite way to what I'm used to around here. Haven't seen too many pop up yet. We're back to this old chestnut. I'm not looking forward to opening this. It stinks. We have our first culprit of the day. Gonna get you. We on, boy. Fuck, didn't even know I had that one. Let's get him in. Yeah, just like that, we own. Oh, it's great to catch a fish. Oh, it's been a while. Look at him. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Oh, I better unhook him first, eh? I was just making sure that I wasn't going to get caught up in anything. And all of a sudden, we on, big run. Let's go. See if we can get a bit more lighting, it'd be nice. There we go. Look at that beautiful fish. First fish. Haven't died from any snakes. I know there's one in here somewhere. That was a bit hectic. Now, I was running through here before. Done the old jump through these ones, and boy, that scared the living out of me too. Nice big brown snake hiding in there. It's my little mate. Oh, yeah, let's go. Little burley all the way from here down here. I'm chasing those big splashes. A couple of those big splashes, and they're going to be having a nice feed. I'll check my corn lines very shortly. I've only thrown the one out because I've only seen the one on top. I see movement. We out of here. Well, I thought I'd be getting another fish, but at the bird nest of all bird nests, there's an egg beater. This is not great fun. And I didn't bring a knife, so I had to improvise. I'll try and catch one more. We'll get out of here. There's a couple floating around. They're just playing games with me at the moment, or I'm playing games with it. Little nibbles, where's the big one? Hopefully no more snakes before I go home, and maybe one more fish. Let's see if we can get it. One big carp sitting in here. Keeps coming up real close just here. A koi carp getting around too. I just can't seem to get in his attention. Very frustrating today. I managed to fish, so I'm quite happy with that. One more before I go home would be nice. Preferably not anywhere near the snake over that way. Here we go. He's back again. Oh, that's the one I want. That's the one I want, right there. We got a good little fighter here. Just missed another one on the hand line too, which is funny. Well, this pretty one. It's a pretty red one. Ah, ooh. So I'm gonna drag up a little bit. Not a pretty carp. Not a pretty looking carp if I say so myself. It's not the koi I was after, but pretty red on that one. Missed one, got one. Hehe. Pretty not the orange one, but I'll take the red one. Look at that. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Pest fish though. So he's off to the knock block. Go have a big sleep next to his mate. Well, because I just dropped one on the hand line, I'm going to be using one of those with a very light line ever again, because I lost him. Got that one. Got a bit of corn in for this one. I'm going to try to burley up one more. See if we can make it 3 for the day. Well, not even 3 for the day, it'll be 3 for the afternoon. 2 hours, 3 fish. Let's get it. Come on. Got 20 more minutes. Yeah. Another one. Gonna end it on this one. That's 3. Let's go, baby. Back in action. Another video coming soon. Well, that hurts my heart. That really hurt my heart, that one did. Pulled the hook right at the bank, went to grab it, and no, had a great day anyway. We're off to the Gold Coast on Wednesday. Let's get it. Good result for a couple of hours. See you on the next one very soon.